All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of its
proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders
and all elders
respect and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
India's well-being
India's well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!